further update to 18.2 OC, and I can show not supported in the latest version. To prove to my subscriber, to explain them, now I have to downgrade again to 18.2 beta 2. So I choose update because I don't want to lose data, and now I choose 18.2 beta 2. Open, show here. I don't have any data, but I don't want to set up again, so I choose this way to downgrade by using update, because 18.2 beta 2 still signed, and we will stop when show Apple logo with the progress bar below. So maybe it take a few minutes. And this one is 13 minutes on 18.1 beta 4. It's so good. I like it. I like it. Full screen, and any other iOS that support iPhone 12 mini, 13 mini, it will not full screen, but you can use zoom display to make it full screen. One of my subscribers told me the solution, so it fixed. Now most all iPhone with Apple Intelligent, camera control, ChatGPT, now it works flawlessly. It Face ID fixed, animation is fixed. To any other device that not full screen, you can use zoom, so it's full screen. So it's awesome that show older device can add new feature, and you can feel like you catch 18 iOS 18 full function, full feature. But sadly Genmoji and my playground is not working. Maybe in next few updates, maybe we don't know yet. So if there any update, I will let you guys know. So now updating. So we will stop recording when see Apple logo with progress bar, because it show it work. So I downgrading to 18.2 beta 2. I make 12 mini stay there, and next version, if there any new program, we can enable Apple Intelligent again, or I can test it. I will use 13 mini to do it. I will leave 18.1 beta 4 to new version if it's supported. If support Apple Intelligent on all the iPhone. Okay, so now it show that it worked. Thanks, bye. Now it's done. It's done. Oh, sorry. .2 beta 2. So gonna enable Apple Intelligent on it. First, you need to go to shortcut. I will do it right away, okay? Bye-bye, Jess. Put it here. Okay. So I drop it again. This one, your one. The old one delete. Don't make confused. I dropped it on my Mac. And on my Mac, I delete this. I'm making confused. This one is 12 mini. Put it there. And I use naked 0.0.1 to enable it, because it higher success rate than I turn off Find My, than the new one, the 18 new Nugget 4.1. It higher success rate. So now we have chest file, we have Nugget, so I select my 12 mini. Okay, so I enable charging 60, enable Apple Intelligence, and I use 15 Pro. That's my favorite one because it always works. And this one nothing, this one also nothing, not recommend. So go to chest file, desktop, new one. So we go to right. So it's easy now when you do a lot of time. So it just stick on your muscle memory and everything. So this one also gonna have full screen animation on mini because we use zoom display. So good. So now we fix Face ID, we fix just like this one. Oh, because I unlock a lot of time here. Yeah, here. Passcode. Why? Okay, here, 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 here. Fix. So now it's turned back on. I enable anything, everything. Sorry, my English bad, so bad. So bad that past 2000 video I didn't talk, and now I just decided to talk because I need to explain a lot of things to you guys. So Apple Intelligence just work right away or not? Oh, it downloaded. It download image playground. Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture of it as a thumbnail. So good. So now let's go to Apple Intelligence. Let's see. Preparing. Okay, until complete, leave it there. And 18.2. Beta 2. Go to turn off software update. And let's see, will it work? Because I also have the old file in here. Old Apple Intelligence file here, fully download. Last version 18.1.1 that I did. Sorry. So now no Apple Intelligence yet. Let's say downloading. Okay. So to trigger it to work, old trick, change language, and it show not support. Wait. No, just need time. It lag now. Do it again. Not okay. So now we change to US back. And go back in. Do it again. Here. Because we're not fixed yet, so it shows like this. Preparing. Okay. Give it time. We'll come back when it finishes working in the background because it just updated. And we also have playground. Wow, playground. Okay, now it's download all some configuration in the background. So let's give it time. Now it's 1 a.m. I'm going to sleep, and I think I want to wait a bit to see it work. Maybe it never will. We need to zoom sync. Okay. Oh, passcode. Okay, let me put my passcode in. Oh, okay. As the passcode for my iPhone X with iOS 11. So now it's preparing. Give it a couple minutes more. Oh, this one I recommend to turn it off because it will burn out your battery. Go to privacy, security, scroll down, Apple Intelligence Report. Turn this off. Okay. Turn it off. It will save a lot of your battery. Trust me. Turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. So now let's get back to. Okay, it needs time. So just leave it there. We will come back when it's done. Bye. So now the next day of 12 mini on 18.2 beta 2, and the time is 11:37 in the morning. I did some tweak to make it work. It's still stuck in download, so I think I have my file in here. So why need to download more? I think that's so. I do a lot of things. I reboot. I delete Siri history here. Delete it, and I turn off and turn on, change language, and the last thing that I do, sign out the iCloud. The time I sign out the iCloud, it start working. So now it's working. 18.2 beta 2. For this, still download, but in the given time it will work. It's working. So I can go to scroll down and ChatGPT. Set up ChatGPT, and it works. So I can put my Apple account in, fetch the Face ID, and leave it there, and leave it as 18.2 beta 2. I did full screen, so maybe I can. Let's try it. It definitely not work, but worth a try. Change back the resolution, okay, to see it's still not full, and turn it back on to see it full. See, it's not full screen, it chopped down. And when you put it back, done, you zoom, the color, so good, I like it a lot. And boom, it worked. It full screen again. So thanks, enjoy.